So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do an air fried steak. So this cut of meat that I've got in front of you is a rump steak, and it's from the rump. You can also get sirloin, ribeye, T-bone and other steak cuts. This is absolutely amazing. You can also get a fillet steak as well, but this is a good cut, a rump steak. You can see there's not many fat lines in it. There's just a few, and you can see the marbling is nice. So what we're going to do with this in this video is we're going to pan sear it with a little bit of butter, salt and pepper, and then what we're going to do is pop it in the air fryer, and then we're going to cut it gently. We're going to roast some tomatoes, and we're going to roast some mushrooms to serve with it, and that'll be the finishing dish. So I'm going to take you step by step on how you do it. First, how you season it, then how you prepare it to cook in the pan, and then how you prepare it to put it in the air fry. This is going to be a simple video. It's not going to take any time at all. So anyway, let's crack on with the video and let's do this. So the first step is we need to season the steak. We've already got it out to slightly room temperature, so now we need to season it. So I'm going to season it with some rosemary and thyme olive oil. This is preferably, you can just use olive oil, but a good quality olive oil. That's what you should use. Stay away from the rapeseed oils, the vegetable oils and other oils. Only use olive oil and avocado oil because it's got a high smoking point, and so is olive oil, and it adds an amazing flavour to your steak. So first we're going to put a little bit of olive oil on, and then we're going to massage it just gently in. We're going to do both sides and massage it. Put a little bit on, massage it again. That's right. And then we're going to put a little bit of salt on. This is a fine Himalayan salt. And then we're going to put a little bit of pepper on. It's cracked black pepper. And then we're going to turn it over and do the same on the other side. Yep. That's lovely. And that means we've got a nice seasoned steak, and you can see it's nicely seasoned, and it's a really good cut of meat. We've got this from the local butchers, so try and get your meat from the butchers. A little bit more expensive, but very good quality. So we're going to heat the pan up until it gets hot, and it's got a slight smoking point, and then we're going to pop the steak in and seal it. We're going to pop the steak in, and you can hear it sizzle. And then we're going to seal it on both sides, and then we're going to pop it in the air fryer. So we're just checking that it's sealed on that side. It's not far off. Just going to let it seal a little bit more, and then we're going to turn it over. There we are. Can you see it's got a lovely seal on it? We're going to seal it on the other side for 2 or 3 minutes, and then we're going to pop it in the air fryer. Listen to the sound of that steak. This is not just a rump steak. This is my rump steak. Now we're going to pop a knob of butter in. You can see that, just add that nice little bit of flavour. You can see it looks absolutely amazing. It's just caramelising beautifully and sealing off. So we're going to quickly prep the mushrooms that are going to go with the steak. So we're just going to peel it slightly, and then we're going to put a little bit of olive oil on it, salt and pepper, and then we're going to pop them in the air fryer as well. These are going to be amazing. And then what else we've got with it is a full tomato, but we're going to cut it in half. We're going to put a little bit of salt and pepper on that, a little bit of olive oil. I'm going to pop that in the air fryer as well. That's just to accompany it. And then you can serve this with chips, mash, anything you want really. It's just a lovely meal. Yep, it's absolutely beautiful, as you can see. So we're just going to put a little bit of salt on, cracked salt, a little bit of pepper, and then we're just going to be a touch of olive oil, which is garlic and rosemary. Then we're going to do the same with the tomato. We're just going to cut it in half, so straight down the middle. And then we're going to split that in half. We're going to put a little bit of salt on it, a little bit of pepper, and that's it. We're going to pop them in the air fryer. So we put the steak in the air fryer. You can see the tomato, and then we've got the mushroom there. We're going to put it in for 2 or 3 minutes. We want it slightly medium rare, just a little bit under. You can have it to whatever temperature you want, or cuisson. It's up to you, but I suggest that cuisson for this absolutely lovely piece of meat rump steak. So this is the finished dish. It's tomato, mushroom and the steak with a little bit of butter on top. What do you think? I think it looks amazing. So this was done for about 3 or 4 minutes in the air fryer, and this is how it came out. We just sealed it slightly in the pan and then did it 3 or 4 minutes in the air fryer. We give it a good season. We got this from the local butchers. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. See you on the other side.